Hey guys, Dr. Rosie Main. I want to show you a couple of exercises you could do with your discs that you have been given in our office. These ear discs are very valuable in the fact that they can be used in a lot of ways. We've taught you the importance for hydration in your discs of your vertebra. They actually look very similar to this disc in between your vertebrae. You have a cushion to allow your nerves not to get encroached, and so many times over the years, if there's sedentary lifestyles, these cushions between our discs, they dehydrate. And so then that creates a lot of tension on the nervous system, not allowing your brain to basically communicate properly to your body because the nerves send those signals. So we have asked you, just like flossing your teeth, that you would take care of your spine by hydrating those discs, and they are done by movement. These discs are not supplied with vessels of blood, so they're basically supplied nourishment through movement. And so the more movement you get into the discs, the more hydrated they are, the less they're going to degenerate. But the way to do that on a daily basis is you blow the little disc, that cushion that we've given you, and then you put it on a stool or on a chair where you can sit on. Kind of like in the morning, you can floss your teeth, you can, add some movements side to side, front to back, and then you'll even hear sometimes a release in your spine where you're actually getting that motion into the disc. So another big important part of life is balance and proprioception. And so with as we get older with age, we lose our balance. So it's important that you continuously stimulate your nervous system and your brain and your cerebellum, which has to do with balance. So utilizing this disc is very important to help your balance. So in our office, we have our patients, typically you do your head weights to strengthen your spinal column. We also have you add this to stimulate your nervous system and your proprioception. So you can do this at home as well. And you can put that down next to a wall and put your head weights on, and then you can stand on your disc and use this to balance. And again, this helps stimulate your nervous system in many ways, but also you can utilize this disc and get some weights, some hand weights, and also be able to do some exercises with it. So again, you would get against the wall, you would first get your balance by standing on it slowly, then start using your weights for whatever exercise you want to do, whether it be your biceps, or you can do, your shoulders. At the same time, you're stimulating your brain and your proprioceptive pathways to your brain. You could also even utilize it for strengthening your knees. You can do one leg on the disc and then slowly come down and do a lunge. And just different exercises, even a push-up. So you can put both hands on there and then start learning how to make sure that your mechanoreceptors in your joints that talk to your nervous system function better. There's going to be more stability of your joints. So just use this disc in many ways and do it daily. Challenge yourself and keep going. Thanks guys. Share this, and we'll keep doing these short videos to help you just with your journey here with Maximize Living.